Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can take care of your skin with affordable products. BIOTIQUE is a very affordable brand and it gives best results. I really recommend this brand and love this brand. I personally use many products of BIOTIQUE. You can see it, and this is my daily fully clean. You're gonna take it on a cotton pad and apply it on your face. Gently wipe that cotton pad on your face so that toner just goes inside your pores and it tightens up your pores. And the last step is moisturizing. I use this Bio Coconut face cream because it has brightening and whitening properties. As you can see, my skin and face is a little tan because I shot in sun. We did a shooting in sun, so I have tan forehead, tan hands. So I really like to massage with this cream so it brightens and lightens my skin. And I'm finishing this skincare with a lip balm. I did not have BIOTIQUE one, so I used NIVEA's. I hope you have liked this video of mine. If you have, then please like, subscribe and share. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time in my next video. Bye.